Hello everyone, this is Konstantin from GraphGrail Artificial Intelligence team, and today I'm gonna show you how to use our MVP. Let's do it. Alright, first of all you have to go to graphgrail.com website and press Try MVP button. This will bring you to a sign-in menu, but please make sure you signed up using the link at the bottom of the screen. After entering all the details, you will be able to sign in using the newly created account. You're also gonna need an Ethereum network client. Go to Chrome Web Store and install MetaMask application, which will allow you to access Ethereum blockchain from your browser. Click on the MetaMask shortcut in Chrome, carefully read the terms and press Accept. Right after you created and confirmed your new password, you will receive a 12-word secret phrase, which is the only way you may restore your password. So please don't forget where you saved it. On the next step, you will see 40-character long wallet code and an account name. You may change it by clicking Edit. Choose Rinkeby Test Network from the drop list at the top of the MetaMask window. It will allow you to connect to a test network which we use for our MVP. After that, please come back to the main MVP page and click on Get Credit button. In a couple of minutes, some test tokens will be added to your wallet and you'll be able to proceed. To create a labeling task, you're gonna need at least one dataset and one labeling tree. Press Upload Dataset button, fill out the dataset name, description, and choose a CSV dataset file from your PC. It may take some time to be processed. To create a labeling tree, you need to follow almost the same procedure. Last step is the creation of the categories for your future labeling. Each one of them may consist of its number of subcategories. For this particular example, I chose to use some random ones. Now, when everything is ready, go press the Create Task button, fill out the task name and description fields, but keep in mind that they are visible to the people who are gonna do the labeling. Choose the dataset, choose your labeling tree and press Create. On the next step, a smart contract for the task is needed to be created with the same wallet code from your MetaMask account. Press Create Smart Contract and wait till it's done. Now, as you may read at the title, you need to send some test tokens to a smart contract. Use your MetaMask account to confirm the transfer. Right after, you'll be able to activate the contract using the MetaMask application by pressing the Submit button. Blockchain transaction may take some time because it's a blockchain, so please be patient. This will get you back to a task menu where you'll be able to track the process of labeling. For the next step, you'll need to add a Telegram bot called Data Label Bot, which is used as an interface. Please note that the following operations are performed by a person who labels the data, so I'm gonna create a separate MetaMask account for that. To log in as a user, type /start and add your wallet code. Type tasks to get the list of the tasks and press the one you want to work with, and it will start the process of labeling. Text buttons from the dataset will appear at the top. Buttons below represent the labeling tree, which we created previously. When the work is done, you will receive a corresponding notification. After you switch back to a main account, you'll be able to see who performed the work and to score it. Using the preview button, you will see the sample part of the labeled text. If everything is okay, press Approve and proceed with the confirmation. Once again, blockchain operations may take some time. When the work is done, finalize it by sending the confirmation to a blockchain and download the result. As you can see, our dataset is labeled and ready to use. You may also go back to Tasks menu to see the list of the performed tasks and download the results. I hope that you found this tutorial useful. Please take a closer look at our MVP and don't forget, work for machines, life for people, enjoy now. See ya, bye.